is Michi and I'm the co-owner from GESA Electrical. I'm the backbone of the business and this is my working space. Let me show you out. This is one of our big whiteboards. And our team table where we hold our toolbox meetings and other meetings. We have several whiteboards to record our toolbox meetings and brainstorm what we can do or how we can treat our clients in a better way. We have a whiteboard where we have our 10-year goals, 5-year goals and 12-month goals, which are important for the business. We have my own whiteboard, which shows my daily tasks I need to do and all my appointments during the month. And I have another board which shows me all our business goals and business plan, how I can move our business in a better way. This is Gary's whiteboard. And we have the goals of 2024, which we work towards it and hopefully we can achieve everything. From all our hard work pays off that we can show off some awards, which shows in those trophies and all those certificates. And then lastly, this is Gary's desk, where he spends the time in coding. And this is my desk, where I do all the finance. And yeah, that's where the work happens. Let me show you some of our awards we received. So first of all, Gary won the most valuable member of BNI, which is a business networking group. Then we got a statement of attainment for PeerTech, which is our trade school. He also received a certificate in work health and safety, which is most important for our clients as well. Then we are part of Master Electricians, so we won the winner of 2019 for the residential property project, and we won another one 2022 for Master Electricians, and then we won the industrial project for Master Electrician in 2022. And it does not stop here, we won more. We actually won the Service of the Year in 2023 as the best business service. And Gary won the best Electrician of the Year. So he was the best Sparky in South Australia in 2023. We also participated in a 12-month program from NDRS. That was the pilot program, which was very interesting and very well known. Here are some of our trophies for Master Electricians, where we all, which we all won, literally. So it's really very interesting and very exciting journey we have since we started our business. It's very, very rewarding in general. For myself, I participated or did do some training through TAFE. So I completed Certificate 3 in Accounting and Administration, and another Certificate 4 in Accounting, another one Certificate 4 in Bookkeeping, and a Certificate 4 in Leadership and Management. Plus, for Master Electricians, I won twice the Women in Contracting Award, which it's very, very special, especially in a male-dominated industry. It's really hard for our females to be part of it. The best trophies we have and awards are our dogs. They are our pets. That's Jasmine. Say hello, Jasmine. Hello, Jasmine. She's a beautiful girl. And there's another beautiful girl, that's Twink. Hello, Twink. Spanky, you want to say hello? She is a little bit lazy, but she is allowed to because she is already 11 years of age. So she's tired. And then we have a rescue dog, which is Stewie. Hello, Stewie. Hello, Stewie. You say hello? Come on, up. That's so he's our rescue dog, and he's very, very cheeky bugger. Let's come this way. We have automated floodlights and a camera system. We have automated gates, which you can open and close from the phone. And this is our workshop.
Ah, hi, I'm Gary. Come on in, I'll show you around. Let me show you around a bit. Over the time we realized that in order to serve you guys better, we need to be really organized and prepared. So we stock a large array of gear we need on a day-to-day basis. So there's our standard cables, or light cables, power cables, let's say air conditioners or shed supplies. Actually, for a shed supply or new undergrounds, we might have to go for bigger size cables, and that's cool because we know what to look for, what you need for your stuff. Data cabling, a heck of a lot of data cabling is what we do as well. So we always carry a few boxes of these. Not only are they used for data, but also for cameras, which I'll show you a little bit later, if that's okay. So we then have all the other cable, which there's a lot of them, trust me. Specialized tools. Not every job can be done with your standard set of pliers and screwdrivers. Sometimes you need more than that. So we've got testing equipment, we've got whatever is required to make the job properly and neatly. A lot of outdoor jobs require conduits. Different size cables, as we've seen before, require different size conduits. So we've got our standard sizes, bigger sizes, and all the adapters to go with them to make sure it all clips in. We're talking about conduits. If you look up here, we stock our standard sizes always ready to go. Special sizes are ordered in and come within 12 hours. So order in the morning, got it at night, all ready for you. Most of our jobs these days are pre-planned. So your inquiry comes in, goes in the system, and if you don't stock it in the van, we actually specially order it for you and get it ready on this particular shelf. So before we leave in the morning, we are able to just grab it, put it in the car, be ready for you and completely prepared. Let me show you a couple of items if that's okay. Did you know that you can actually retrofit your old halogens with new LED fittings without replacing the entire fitting? There's an extra globe and a driver, as we call it, to make sure you can keep your old fittings in there, especially if there's certain sizes or a certain style you like, and you can still make them LED. I'd like to show you something else. We talked about cameras before. This camera there is one of our favorites. It's got dark finder and it's got AccuSense, which means it can discover when somebody is crossing a line. Plus you can see really, 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 really well at night. Those cameras are amazing. Some of our clients are also into home automation, where you want to be able to turn on your lights from your phone, automate your shutters, your blinds, or control roller doors. Clipsal Visor is a pretty good thing for that. It can be retrofitted to existing wiring, so there's no expensive modifications required, and you get it up and running in no time. So, pretty good system in my eyes. Let's keep going. We figured out the most common one, the best quality switch we can have is either Hager or the Clipsal brand. Either one of which gives us a fantastic warranty. It's really, really good to deal with and user friendly. They just don't break down. They're really good. Let me give you an example. We found, as Apple users, that we need to have fast charging capabilities. So the Hager USB-C charger in there can maintain and charge your MacBook if you need to. Tried it ourselves, it works. Similar to the Clipsal ones we can put in that one. So you could have literally 4 power points plus 2 USB chargers in there. Keeps you going all day and all night. Marvelous little things. Now, switchgear wise, to protect you and make sure that if there's a fault and things break down, we believe again in the Hager brand. It's really good, massive warranty behind it, never had any issues. We just trust, live and breathe it. It's great gear. Switchboard stuff, Bits and bobs, just to make sure that everything stays in place as it should be. We stock it, we gear it, we make sure it's there so the van can go out, are fully equipped, looking after you. Done. We love putting up antennas, we love putting up cameras. And we know that's something which is important to you too. So we carry certain amplifiers in case we need them. We carry HDMI or Cat6 converters, which means if you have your Foxtel sitting in your living area, you can watch it outside on the patio. We always got a couple of TV brackets ready, just in case that you want to hang your TV on the wall and have it neatly ready for it to go. There's even a soundbar bracket available to put your soundbar nicely underneath the TV and gives it a nice neat finish. Camera wise, we normally order them in as we go, because each camera system is designed just for you, because it's just for you. Saying that, we carry a couple of spares just in case that we need to. And they are really good quality, nothing comparable to what you can buy in a DIY or hardware store. And there's reasons for that. They're cameras. Now, standard smoke alarms. Hey, did you know smoke alarms are only good for 10 years? We show you at a different time how you can check it if they are still in date. There's lamp holders, there is good lighting for some warehouses. Your standard downlights, really energy efficient, fantastic light output, and 5-year warranty behind them, as you can see. You might also know, we talked about that we do home automation. Let me show you what those little pucks look like so you can retrofit them. So here's one. As you can see, RGB controller, so you can have your LED strip and control your red, green and blue straight from your phone. And that's how large they are. Tiny, aren't they? But hey, they're powerful, let me tell you. We got them in our own place and they're wicked. We stock some ceiling fans. Vent are our preferred brand and the Sky fan is our preferred model. Why? It's whisper quiet. The airflow is absolutely fantastic. Literally, you got it sitting on your lowest setting at night at bedtime and that's all you ever need. You put this thing full blast and you think the roof will take off. Combine that the light with it is actually dimmable in 5 steps. So really, really cool for kids' bedrooms where you just need that little bit of dim light. Love them, absolutely great. Let me get you outside to the van so you can show how we come to your place and look after you. So, one of the vans outside of our staff, so you can't see that. But here's the one I'm driving right now, plus the vehicle if we need to get out and get a cherry pick or scissor lift for you, because our van can't pull that, the ute can. So once you put the next staff member on board, he will go, will go into this van there, and I'll be serving you out from the Emerald. It's a great vehicle, love it.